So how do we find, again, can we find these children who died? And DHS said, no, we cannot tell you who those kids are. That needs to be protected for some reason. And again, I don't know who that protects. The child has died. I didn't realize that they made those decisions to screen out those calls based only on on the information they get in the call. So in other words, they're screening out those calls without looking to see if the child is okay. The state was not keeping any real relevant data on what's happening to the kids who were screened out for abuse. It's very difficult to find records or cases because of the secrecy of child protection. That was my first real introduction as to how closed off that world is, and what the laws say you're not entitled to have access to as a reporter or as a citizen. And we received data from the state showing that in 2013, 7 children died despite having an assessment or an investigation. The highest number since the state essentially started keeping track of that. I don't understand when an agency gets numerous reports about a child and they don't seem to take it more seriously, and 40,000 of them are screened out. 30,000 of them were made by mandated reporters, people who are supposed to, by law, report this, and agencies essentially turn these people away. That shouldn't happen. There's a disconnect between what we expect as a community to happen and what's really happening. What I think we would like to know is, as a community, as a society, is can we learn from these deaths as a public to figure out what went wrong here?